And for more on today's rulings, let's bring in NBC News legal analyst Misty Marris. Misty, great to see you. So this one is very confusing. The court basically saying that Trump can fire more people, but not Lisa Cook from the Federal Reserve. Like, why the exception here? Make it make sense.
Yeah, so Gotti, the Federal Reserve, according to the court, is different. Its independence is basically sacred. To read not only the fact of independence, but also the appearance of independence is key to the Federal Reserve design. Now, in this case, the Trump administration argued that they had cause to fire Lisa Cook because they say that she committed mortgage fraud, said that the president can make that decision. Nothing else needs to be done. And also said that she had adequate notice when he posted on Truth Social about her firing. The court said, no, you cannot just fire her, but she will remain in her position while the case works its way through litigation and all those procedural issues are worked out and a factual determination is made of the mortgage fraud. Now flip over to Rebecca Slaughter. This is the FTC. This was a reversal of 90 years of precedent that protects the leaders of administrative agencies from being terminated. And what the court bought into was what the administration argued is the unitary executive theory, meaning these administrative agencies are part of the executive branch, and the president of the United States has the power to fire whenever he wants. So this is a massive expansion of executive authority on that front.
Yeah, very interesting. And the search warrant, too, the digital privacy ruling, that is quite the read. What's going to be different going forward here?
Well, it's really interesting. So this is what's called geofence warrants. And this is when police will get a warrant for a specific period of time in a specific location looking to identify any and all cell phone data. Well, now this decision says that that's subject to the Fourth Amendment. There's an expectation of privacy. So that kind of far-reaching warrant is not going to pass muster. So this is, again, from the perspective of privacy and the impact on law enforcement and how these investigations are conducted, this is a really, really significant decision.
Yeah. And finally, this mail-in ballot ruling, was this a surprise, especially with November slowly approaching here?
You know what I thought was a surprise is the breakdown of the justices, 5-4, Barrett, Roberts, Sotomayor, Kagan, Jackson, not the usual suspects on one side. But what the court found was that the state law, which was in Mississippi, allows for mail-in ballots to be counted if they are postmarked by Election Day, but received up to 5 days later. Now, Gotti, there's more than a dozen states that have similar laws on the books. And they said that this is not at odds with the federal law, which says the Election Day is the first Tuesday in November. But in the state law, the federal law doesn't speak to when things have to be received, only that they have to be cast by Election Day. So that's going to be really impactful for mail-in voting moving forward.
Misty Marris, thank you.